Hello, my name is Josh Albert. I'm a Master of Architecture student for my semester project. I'm looking at Hunt Library on Centennial Campus to see how it holds up as a biophilic design. Biophilic design is the expression of the inherent human need to affiliate with nature in the design of a built environment, and biophilic design promotes positive interactions between people and nature that encourages an expanded sense of relationship and responsibility for the human and natural communities. Biophilic design improves health and well-being and has many other positive effects. On the right is Hunt Library, as designed by Snowhetta in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's part of NC State Centennial Campus. It was completed in 2013 and is about 200,000 square feet across 5 floors. I visited the site last month in the evening. I'm comparing it to Austin Central Library, designed by Lake Flato and Shepley Bullfinch in Austin, Texas, and is sited near the Colorado River. It was completed in 2017 and is also about 200,000 square feet across 6 floors. I'm using Terrapin Bright Green's 14 Patterns manual to evaluate these projects, and in particular, I'm comparing dynamic and diffuse light, material connection with nature, prospect and refuge across the two projects. These projects both revolve around light. They take two different approaches. Austin Central Library features an atrium, which is to say there's a void that brings light in, and spaces are organized around it, whereas at Hunt Library, it's essentially a glass box that is wrapped in shading devices. This is the atrium of Austin Central Library. It's a very captivating space with a lot of different lighting conditions going on. This is one of the main spaces at Hunt Library. It's called the Rain Garden. I'm not sure why, but it also has dynamic and diffuse lighting going on. Overall, I was not very satisfied with the biophilic daylighting pattern of Hunt upon visiting. The material connection with nature is the second pattern I'm looking at. In general, the Lake Flato Shepley Bullfinch project, Austin Central Library, is very successful in its material connection with nature, whereas Hunt Library, not so much. Lastly, I'm looking at prospect and refuge, which is very prevalent in the Austin Central Library. For example, looking out on the roof garden across Austin, there's porches throughout the project that put you back in the urban realm, and then there's private reading rooms, whereas Hunt is more about the interior, and in particular, they only have one terrace, which is honestly quite pathetic, and some mini green roofs. So, in general, across these patterns, I found that Hunt Library is not a very biophilic project, although it is biophilic in some ways. It is not as biophilic as other libraries and should be learned from for future projects. Thank you.